Short on kitchen space and struggling with clutter in your tiny home? You're not alone. In today's video, we're sharing some of the best kitchen organizers for tiny homes to help you save space and stay organized without the stress. These smart, space-saving solutions are perfect for tiny homes, small kitchens, apartments, and condos, making everyday cooking easier and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen organization ideas and must-have home products. All product links are in the description below, so you can easily check prices and reviews anytime. Let's dive in and find the perfect kitchen organizers to upgrade your tiny home kitchen.
Number 1. RevaShelf 2-Tier Kitchen Cabinet Pull-Out Shelf. The RevaShelf 2-Tier Kitchen Cabinet Pull-Out Shelf is designed to maximize cabinet storage while improving daily kitchen efficiency. Its smooth sliding mechanism allows you to pull the shelf out fully, giving instant access to pots, pans, and pantry items without bending or digging. The 2-tier design doubles vertical storage, making better use of deep cabinets. Built with a strong chrome frame, it holds heavy kitchen items securely and feels durable over time. Multiple size options ensure a proper fit for different cabinet layouts. This organizer keeps cabinets clutter-free and makes cooking faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Number 2. Sane Lowe's 2-Pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. The Sane Lowe's Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is a smart solution for framed kitchen cabinets. Its adjustable width design fits a wide range of cabinet sizes, making installation flexible and hassle-free. The upgraded 3-slide rail system ensures smooth, quiet movement even when fully loaded. A raised pad keeps stored items stable while pulling the drawer out. The clean white finish blends easily with modern kitchens and improves cabinet visibility. This organizer helps you reach cookware, cleaning supplies, or pantry items quickly while keeping everything neatly arranged and easy to maintain.
Number 3. Baker Rack with Power Outlet Microwave Stand Storage Rack. This baker rack with power outlet combines storage and convenience in one stylish unit. It provides a sturdy surface for microwaves or coffee machines, along with spacious shelves for spices, cookware, and kitchen essentials. 14 built-in hooks keep mugs and utensils organized and within reach. The integrated power outlet eliminates messy cords and makes appliance use more convenient. Its rustic brown metal frame adds warmth and character to the kitchen while maintaining durability. Ideal for coffee stations or extra storage, this rack keeps your kitchen functional, organized, and visually appealing. Number 4. Vidania Blind Corner Pull-Out Organizer for 36-inch. The Vidania Blind Corner Pull-Out Organizer transforms hard-to-reach cabinet corners into usable storage. Designed for 36-inch cabinets, it features 2 spacious pull-out baskets that glide smoothly for easy access. The soft close system ensures quiet, controlled movement without slamming. Its bottom mount structure adds stability and supports heavy cookware securely. Compatible with both left and right cabinet openings, it offers flexible installation options. This organizer helps eliminate wasted corner space and keeps pots, pans, and kitchen tools neatly organized and easy to reach.
Number 5. SNTD 5-Tier Fruit and Vegetable Storage Rack with Wheels. The SNTD Fruit and Vegetable Storage Rack offers a smart way to organize fresh produce while saving counter space. Its 5 rotating wire baskets provide excellent airflow to keep fruits and vegetables fresh longer. The metal top lid adds protection from dust and pests. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy movement around the kitchen. The tall, vertical design maximizes storage without taking much floor space. Ideal for potatoes, onions, bread, and bananas, this rack keeps everything visible, organized, and easily accessible for everyday cooking. Number 6. Pokepo 8-Tier Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer. The Pokepo 8-Tier Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer creates extra storage without using cabinet or floor space. It installs easily over doors or mounts on walls, offering flexible placement. Adjustable baskets securely hold spices, jars, snacks, and small pantry items. The sturdy metal frame supports daily use while keeping items visible and organized. This organizer helps reduce clutter and improves kitchen efficiency by turning unused door space into practical storage. It's also perfect for closets or utility rooms needing better organization.
Number 7. Paquita 4-Pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. The Paquita Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is ideal for deep kitchen cabinets. Each drawer features an upgraded 3-rail sliding system for smooth, quiet operation. The 21-inch depth maximizes unused cabinet space, while the expandable width ensures a better fit. Adhesive nanofilm provides strong, drill-free installation that protects cabinets from damage. The clean white finish enhances cabinet visibility and organization. This set makes it easier to store and access cookware, pantry items, and cleaning supplies while keeping cabinets neat and efficient. Number 8. Superger Kitchen Baker's Rack with Power Outlet. The Superger Kitchen Baker's Rack delivers reliable storage with added convenience. Its 4-tier shelf design offers ample space for microwaves, spices, pots, and pans. The built-in power outlet allows easy use of small kitchen appliances. 6 S-shaped hooks provide extra hanging storage for utensils and mugs. Finished in rustic brown, it adds warmth and style to any kitchen. Strong construction ensures stability, making it ideal for coffee bars or additional kitchen storage, while keeping essentials organized and accessible.
Number 9. Sakugi 5-tier heavy-duty storage shelves organizer. The Sakugi 5-tier storage shelves provide a strong and dependable solution for organizing kitchens, pantries, closets, or garages. Its heavy-duty metal construction offers excellent stability and confidently supports heavier items without bending. The 5-tier vertical design maximizes storage while keeping a slim footprint, making it ideal for tight spaces. Adjustable leveling feet keep the shelf stable even on uneven floors. The black finish looks clean and modern, blending easily with different room styles. Easy-to-clean metal shelves make maintenance simple. This shelving unit helps keep essentials visible, organized, and easy to access every day. Number 10. PX Rack 2-tier Pull-Out Under-Sink Organizer. The PX Rack Under-Sink Organizer is designed to turn wasted cabinet space into organized storage. Its smooth, slide-out drawers allow quick access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, or laundry items. The sturdy metal mesh design improves airflow and helps prevent moisture buildup. Soft pads protect cabinet surfaces from scratches. Built to fit framed cabinets, it stays secure and stable during daily use. The black finish adds a clean, modern look under the sink. With 2 tiers of storage, this organizer reduces clutter and makes everyday tasks faster and more convenient.
Number 11. ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins Organizer. ClearSpace Clear Plastic Bins make organizing simple and stress-free. The transparent design allows you to see contents instantly, saving time when searching for items. These bins are lightweight yet durable, making them suitable for kitchens, pantries, closets, garages, and freezers. Their stackable shape maximizes vertical space and reduces clutter. Smooth edges make sliding them in and out of cabinets easy. They're simple to clean and maintain, even with daily use. These storage bins help create a clean, calm, and well-organized home environment. Number 12. Fokifolk Adjustable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. The Fokifolk Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is built for flexibility and convenience. Its expandable width and depth allow it to fit a wide range of cabinet sizes. The 3-rail sliding system ensures smooth, quiet movement with easy access to stored items. No drill installation protects cabinets while saving setup time. Strong adhesive keeps the organizer firmly in place. Designed for cabinets without lips, it works perfectly in kitchens and pantries. The clean white finish improves visibility and organization. This organizer makes cabinets more functional and reduces daily kitchen frustration.
Number 13. KitStorack 3-tier Adjustable Under-Sink Organizer. The KitStorack Under-Sink Organizer offers strong, adjustable storage for tight spaces. Its thickened metal frame feels sturdy and durable, even when holding heavier items. The 3-tier adjustable height design fits around pipes and different cabinet layouts easily. Smooth pull-out drawers allow fast access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry items. The 2-pack set doubles storage value instantly. Its clean, white finish brightens cabinet interiors. This organizer helps reduce clutter and keeps essential items neatly arranged and within reach every day. Number 14. Kamethi Airtight Food Storage Containers 24 PC Set.
The Kamithi airtight food storage containers keep pantry items fresh and organized. Each container features a tight, leak-proof seal that protects food from moisture and spills. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, they are safe and durable for daily use. The clear design allows quick identification of contents. Extra labels and a marker make organization simple and efficient. Ideal for cereal, flour, sugar, and snacks, these containers help reduce mess and improve kitchen workflow. Stackable shapes save space and keep shelves looking clean.
Number 15. Royal Craftwood Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer. The Royal Craftwood Bamboo Drawer Organizer brings order and elegance to kitchen drawers. Crafted from natural bamboo, it feels smooth, sturdy, and eco-friendly. 9 dedicated slots keep silverware and utensils neatly separated and easy to find. Its solid design prevents shifting during drawer use. The natural wood finish adds a warm, premium look to any kitchen. Easy to clean and maintain, this organizer helps eliminate clutter and improves daily cooking efficiency. It's a simple upgrade that makes kitchen drawers more functional and visually pleasing. Number 16. PX Rack Adjustable Height Under-Sink Pull-Out Organizer. The PX Rack Adjustable Under-Sink Organizer is built for strength and flexibility. Its thickened metal construction supports daily use while maintaining stability. The adjustable height design fits around plumbing and different cabinet layouts with ease. Smooth pull-out shelves provide fast access to stored items without bending or searching. The 2-tier layout doubles storage space without overcrowding cabinets. Finished in clean white, it brightens under-sink areas. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, this organizer keeps supplies organized and easy to reach.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our latest finds. All product links and the newest prices are in the description below, so don't miss out on these amazing deals. Have a question or a gadget you want us to review? Drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.